Which MLB team will win the next World Series? We're about to find out treadmill style. Okay, a lot of teams being aggressive, pushing up. Mets getting taken out. Pittsburgh going backwards. The Yankees take out a lot of teams, but correct themselves. Athletics into the front. Colorado comes up to the front, tries to hit the Reds. The White Sox. Braves in the back. Cubs in the front. Pittsburgh going backwards still. All teams doing pretty well so far here. Speed is going up. White Sox starting to get a little bit of movement. Oh, Colorado's out. White Sox flip over. They're out of here. 5 teams left. Speed is still going up at 10 miles an hour. Pittsburgh somehow still going backwards. Oh, Pittsburgh with a grip. They spin out. Hit the Braves and save themselves. And they're also out. 3 teams left. Yankees, Cubs, Athletics. Who's going to win? Yankees falling back. Athletics and Cubs left. The Cubs win.